me, Caden.
And Leah.
And today we are doing
robotic blocks.
Yep, from Modular Robotics.
Modular Robotics. And this is a 12 kit.
Yep.
Of these.
It comes with
robot blocks.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay.
So we want to thank
Modular
Robotics
for sending us this toy. We think it's pretty cool.
Robot blocks.
Yep.
Let's open it that.
Okay, I got this. You got this. We got some of these.
We got some of these.
This is this. That's it.
No.
Okay, Leah, all the axes look yellow, all the senses are red, and all the other ones are green. So here are the 3 different categories. There is the think category.
Let's go in the think category.
That one just kind of like does, well, it's kind of like your brain, because your brain does, like, thinks out all the stuff, and then your other stuff acts it. And then there's also the sensing ones. These are the 2 sense ones. So there's the distance cublet, the brightness cublet, there. And for the act, there are the drive cublet, also known as the movie cublet. There's the rotate cublet, flashlight cublet, and each card also has like a little challenge that you can do. But yeah, so the battery cublet right here is the inverse cublet.
Whoa.
It's the inverse cublet. I can't even say it. Bluetooth cublet. The blocker cublet.
I just got them almost up.
The passive cublet. And they also come with these little Lego attachments. There's one to pop on the back and one to pop on the front.
Yes.
So you can actually use your Legos at home to build cool stuff. So like if you had a Star Wars set, you could build like cannons. Like a little pew cannon. So in this thing, it has one thing and that's what we're going to build. So we each have to build something. I guess I know what I'm going to build.
I'm going to figure out what I'm going to build.
Okay. Wait, I still need to see it. I'm just going to build a simple one.
Wait, first you build it and then I'll build something. Because we can't have both the same things.
I'm just building a simple one. And now I need one of these.
Done. What does it do?
Wait, I'm going to do it like that.
It's called the Scaredy Cat box.
Yeah, I did not see that. I thought it was just called a robot one because look, it goes slow at there, but then, whoo, whoo. Ah! I'm so scared. I'm so scared. Ah! So scared.
I'm gonna make it this one.
Which one?
You need.
Wait. I'm gonna see what it's called.
I'm gonna need.
It's called the Night Train. That looks cool. I built the simplest one.
I think we're gonna need all of these.
You're gonna need drive wheels down, a battery, a rotate block. Well, you're gonna need a lot. They're gonna have a cool giveaway with December 1st to December 12th. That if you enter it, you might be the lucky winner to get a free 12 kit of Cubelets. We will have the link in the description below if you want to
Got it
enter.
right?
Huh?
I think so.
Yeah.
What is it called? The light train.
The Night Train.
And how much is?
I think.
Oh!
Did you build it right? Wait, I don't think that's right. Wait, that's not right.
Yeah, it is.
That's not right.
Yeah, it is.
I don't think the brick is supposed to be right here. Just saying. That's not the right.
Yes, it is.
I'm pretty sure it's supposed to move.
It was supposed to be where I had it. Now I'm putting it.
I forgot to say, I'm the better builder. When it comes to instructions.
I'm gonna build it wrong.
That's what I've been saying.
I'm gonna build it wrong.
I think you put on the wheels wrong.
No, I didn't.
What?
Got it on right.
Yeah, you put them on wrong. Look, you see, it's moving one way and it's not moving the other way. You just need to move one block the wrong way. Oh, no, there you go. That should do it. Yep. Pop it on.
So I built it on the road.
Pop it like that. Ready?
Right?
It's probably not supposed to go backwards, but
That's right.
it's a first for me. Okay, I'm gonna build a one more. Whoa.
Let me try.
No, we're gonna show. Ready?
Your turn?
But the cool thing about this is you have to put both hands over it if you want it to move. Because look, can I show you?
Wait, can I try?
If you put it in one hand, it just goes in circles.
Wait.
Like a little pet. You know those zoomer things, guys?
Look, I can control it.
We can make a
I can
boogie.
control it. I can control it.
Boogie! It's a dance robot. Dance-a-tron. Can I see my robot, Leah?
I can. Wait,
Watch this.
let me drive it to you.
Boop, boop, boop. Oh, sweet. Ready? Beep, 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 boop, beep, 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 beep. It's a boogie. Oh. It grew a new part.
So drive around the table and make it.
Oh.
There's more blocks you can get to add to your
Collection.
collection. And you can also use the phone to use it. I don't know whose phone this is.
It's our dad's.
No, it isn't.
It's just without the case.
Oh. Never knew that looks like this. Oh, that's the case.
Just for example, I'm going to show you how many other ones
I
there are.
thought
So guys, this has been Toothified.
yes.
So all you have to do is pop it on the Bluetooth app, and then you can take your Cubelets to the next level. I'm gonna click all of the Cubelets except the Bluetooth one. I'm gonna take one of the
Can I see it?
drives.
Can I see it?
Here, Lily, you try. All you have to do is press one of the Cubelets. I recommend the drive ones. That actually do it. See? Press one of the green ones. Now it'll do one of the drives.
So I'm going to control this. So I'm going to take this one up. Hey!
Back off. Hey! And you can also
so much
just
fun right
take
now, yeah,
the
like
pieces from that and build your own stuff. And there's also the robot challenges, the system thinking, and there's also the follow us. See?
Okay, I'm going to play those up again.
This time I'm gonna make something cool. So this is all you're gonna do. If you've played Minecraft or any other survival game that has, any other survival game, there's obviously a torch. This is how I figured out how to make it. I took these blocks.
This might be a little bit cool.
You can also extend it by adding one more. And the way you do it is
You can turn off and on.
you hold it by the sensors, because if you take it out, it's kind of like a button. But you don't touch it. You touch it, it's out. That's what I see. And you can, if you want to add some more fun, you can take out one block. Here, where is the rotate block? Right here. I'm gonna pop this on right here. See? All you have to do is put it near it. And it's like a flickering flashlight. I don't know why, but if you want a flickering flashlight, that mostly spins. There you go. See? That's pretty cool.
So we really like these robot cubes. So I think you should really go enter in that giveaway, and we'll put a description down below so you can get onto that giveaway, and it will show some
More information
information.
about the Cubelets if you want some.
Yes.
And remember, there are
So you
way
can
more
enter
about
the
this.
giveaway.
There's way more about the Cubelets in the game. Well, thanks again for watching this video, and don't forget to check out our other videos, and we have more videos coming soon. Don't forget to subscribe.
Bye, guys.
We'll see you again. in the next one.
Bye.